How to manually add bank transactions on QuickBooks. So let's get started. First of all, on a web browser, go to the transaction menu and select Add Transaction. Enter the amount and a description. Then select a category menu. Then select the best category to organize your transaction. If you have a receipt, you can drag and drop it onto the form, and when you are done, select Save. But if you are using on an iPhone or iPad, then select the Transactions menu, tap on the plus icon, then select Add Income manually or Add Expense manually, fill out the details. If you're entering an expense, select category, then select an expense category, and after that, if you want to add a receipt, tap Attach Receipt. When you are done, select Save. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.